Car wash in, I believe, in Poughkeepsie. We're going. You see? Yep. Just to read this today. We're getting the top wash, the best. We're getting the Simoniz Hot Wax Shine. Did we get the Simoniz Wax Shine? Did you get the Simoniz Wax Shine? Mom, did you get the Simoniz Wax Shine?
How are you?
The Simoniz Wax Shine. Can we get the $18? $49?
I wish I could. I just don't live close enough for it to even be worth it. You understand what I'm saying?
Excuse me?
I know.
Can we have our Simoniz Hot Wax Shine, please? The Simoniz Wax Shine.
Nathan, can you let me talk?
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm talking to him. He's fascinated with car washes. The best car wash you have.
The Simoniz. Mom.
Story of my life. I have 4 boys.
Are we getting the Simoniz Wax Shine?
Thank you so much. You too.
Did we get the Simoniz Wax Shine? Yep. We got it?
Yes, miss.
Is it a Motor City Works tunnel? I think it's a Motor City Works. Page 1. Thank you. We got the $18.49 wash. It includes everything. And oh, here comes the hot pre-soap. It's a Sony's or a Motor City Works tunnel. Alright, you see it.
It smells good. What do you think?
It's good. It smells good. Where's your right there? Look, it's smelling. Here's the brush. Underbody wash right there. Here's the Simoniz Wax Shine, and we got we got pre-soap, more soapy stuff. I see more. 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 Here it is. We got some under brush, and we got more. We got some Rain-X. We're starting with Rain-X Ultimate Protection. Here's Rain-X. Some high pressure rinse. And here's the nice look. Here it is. Turbo Dry. These are the Motor City Works dryers, and these dryers are cool, and I like them. It's a Motor City Works tunnel. I believe, sure. Dry and shine. We're starting up with our dry and shine. And wow, they're loud. And you got dry and shine, dry and shine, dry and shine. You got one brush between us and a brush and a top, a brush top brush. We got some brush. See it? Here's the brush. And that's the wash. Thank you for watching. Bye. We'll see you later. Thank you for watching Phone Wash Car Wash. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.